Good night. Is this how Cher felt? Is this it? I cannot.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one from the Asteria hair. So I'm actually very excited about this. Asteria hair so graciously provided me with a box so full with goodies that it was busting up, okay? They sent me a silk scarf, our brown wig caps. You know how I've been looking for these all over the place. I need to find a place I can buy them in bulk. The Asteria edge paper, the edge wrap, and our Asteria wig bag, which is like, this is one of my favorite things ever. It makes it super easy for me to store all of my hair. Now let's get on into the unit. I have wigs all over my floor right now. So let's get into this 180%. Look at her. She is stunning. 24-inch 5x5 lace front wig. She is bone strizzy, okay? She has 2 combs in the front. 1 comb in the back. Adjustable straps for kind of forever. And just that 5x5 lace parting, and you can part her however you see fit. She's stunning. This hair is stunning. Stunning. Okay? Like I need a better adjective. This hair, the first thing I recognize about this unit is this hair. The hair. Okay? So let me go on ahead and throw her on and see what she's working with. All right, my loves, let's get on into this Asteria hair HD lace 5x5 closure wig. Okay, I have this unit is bone straight. I have her in 24 inches. She's a medium-sized cat at 180% density, and she's currently going for just under $305. And let me tell you something. Mother is worth every stank, nasty, raggedy, no good cent you got, okay? She deserves to be $300 some odd dollars, all right? This hair is outstanding. When I tell you I pulled it out the pack, okay? Gave her a little flick, 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 and I knew the wind that came and slapped me in the face about this wig, I knew she was the one, okay? So this unit is a 5x5 lace closure. You don't necessarily have to glue her down. I opted to do so, and I kept her on for 3 goddamn days. Okay? And when I tell you mother provided, she did not shed, she did not tangle, she was big head friendly, and she was doing the daggone thing. Y'all, I don't even understand. I'm going to just shut my mouth and let this video play on through. 24-inch bone straight unit. I believe this is 24 inches, but it's long, like she is 26. Okay, so I'm going to make sure I figure out if that's the truth or not. Now, I have so many things that I love about this unit. The story of this unit is that I actually wore her 3 days in a row, slept, and I rolled around, did some grown people things, and here I am right now. Okay, all I did was add a little bit of heat to her. Take a look at that parting space. Stunning. I actually want to go through and darken this up just a wee bit. To me, it could be a little bit darker. Okay, and I'm just going to go on through. Just a little bit darker. Okay. And this helps just clean up any excess and get it right in the part too. Okay. Yeah, I like that. That's much better. So this unit is absolutely stunning. Stunning. Okay, I have so many things about her that I absolutely love. This is the best bone straight unit I've tried all 2021. Period. I would love for you companies to come on through and try to give Asteria hair a run for their money. I'm taking all inquiries or whatever the case may be in gifts. But I really do love this unit. She's nasty. And I mean nasty. I mean TVMA. Nasty. Get into that. Nasty. That's 3 days of wear and tear. Mother been working. Okay, she working hard for the money. She out there on the track, getting it, dipping, doing. And I just cannot get I can't get enough. I can't get enough. Good night. Is this how Cher felt? Is this it? I cannot. So, full disclosure, I think that you must try Asteria hair. I've done a unit, or maybe two, by Asteria hair before. This is by far the best. I can't even remember the other ones I did. But I'm going to remember her. I love this wig. And, full disclosure, I did show you guys how I just, laid her down because it's a 5x5 lace, and I showed you how I laid her down. Whoop de whoop de whoop. However, right now, mother is glueless. What's up on her? Blueless. So I feel like I done came through, provided you all with a look, okay? Love, sex, and magic. That's what this is. She did not tangle. She did not shed. She's super big head friendly. I have her Wakanda Forever in the background. And nasty. She's nasty. Let me tell y'all something. Go get the tissues and the lotions. She the one. I done gave all I could. She done came on through, laid it down, spread it wide for you guys, and I hope you all are feeling her. Tell me what you think. Bust up on her. Give you back shots right quick. Just stunning. Ooh. And I will see you beautiful mother jumpers later.